Okay, in these four problems, I'm going to be subtracting decimals. So, what you got to remember is when negatives are involved, you got to remember the negative rules. So I can always rewrite subtraction as plus a negative. Okay, and there's also the rule where if it's minus a negative, that whole thing turns to plus. Okay, so like the first problem here is 4.36 plus 4.1, and I got to add a 0. Okay, and that's just adding. So 6, 3 and 1's 4, and 8. And that's just 8.46. Alright, on the next one here, I have minus and negative again, so that whole thing's going to turn to plus. But I have a negative this time, so I have negative 3.8 plus 2.75. Okay, 3.8's bigger, so I know my end answer is going to be negative, and I subtract the 2 away. So I got to go 3.8 minus 2.75, add in a 0, and then subtract. So, I'm going to borrow 10 minus 5 is 5, 0, 1, and then 3.8 was bigger, so it's going to be negative 1.05. Okay, on this next guy, what I got is 1.6 minus 2.8, so I can rewrite that. So I'm going to go 1.6 plus negative 2.8. Okay, now 2.8 is bigger, so I know my answer is going to be negative, and then I got to subtract the 2. So I have 2.8 minus 1.6, and then just subtract. So 8 minus 6 is 2, 1, and then I know my answer is negative. Okay, then the last thing, I have negative 2.7. I'm going to rewrite minus as plus, negative 4.32. If they're both negative, I know I can add them and just bring the negative down. So I'll go 2.7 plus 4.32. Gotta add in the 0. Then just add. So 2, 10, carry the 1, 7, and then bring the negative down. Then I'm all done. Okay?